Good morning.
Yeah, morning guys. So ఏమైనా క్వరీస్ ఉన్నాయా? అనుష, జాన్, మురళి, ఓంకార్, శ్రేయ, guys. Guys, can you have my screen and voice is clear na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, yes. Fine, guys. In the last what we discussed? Control statements, right? Yeah. So next we discuss about the strings, guys. JavaScript strings. So any queries, guys? So what is string, guys? Anyone? What is string? Guys, simply what is string, guys? Simply string is the collection of something, right? Collection of characters or collection of something, guys, or group of something. And that string we can represent within the single quote or double quote, guys. Okay. So anything if you are declared into the single quotes or double quote, we used to call it as string, guys. Simply string is the one of the primitive data type, guys. Strings.html. So simply string is the collection of or group of something, and we can represent within the single quote or double quote, guys. Single quotes or double quotes. And if you want, you can create the multi-strings also. So EA6, ECMA 6 version onwards. E6 onwards. Using backticks, guys. There you have a backtick. మీకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి tilde సింబల్ పైన ఉంది. దీన్ని మనం backtick అంటాం. So using backticks, you can create the multi-line strings కూడా మనం create చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. So it means you can create the multi-line strings also, guys. Okay, just I'm going to create few strings like where str1 is equal to, I'm going to create a single character, guys. Str and str1 is equal to, I'm going to include something like string. Like where str2 is equal to, I'm going to declare something that is also string. Where str3 is equal to, I'm going to add some special character that is also string. Yes. So these are all strings, guys. Simply string is the collection of something and we can represent in the single quote or double quote, guys. See, so just I'm going to print console.log of. So guys, you want to get the type of the variable. So how can get, guys? We have method name like type of, right? So using type of function. So just I'm going to print. So type of str, guys. It's a string. See, it shows you string, guys. సో మీరు ఏదైనా సంథింగ్ ని సింగిల్ కోడ్ లో కానీ డబుల్ కోడ్ లో కానీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారంటే ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ ఎ స్ట్రింగ్. స్ట్రింగ్ ఈస్ ద కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్. సో వీ కెన్ రిప్రజెంట్ స్ట్రింగ్. సి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ స్ట్రింగ్. One also string, two also. These all are strings. See, you got it, na? All strings. Guys, understood, na? So simply, string is the collection of something. So we can represent like this, guys. And so I want to print the multi-lines. I will show you multi-line strings. Suppose let message is equal. I'm using back. Suppose I'm using double quotes. You can check it. Hello, guys. Okay. The next line I'm going to write. Check and guys, here I have a 3 lines of string I declare, right? Just I assigned MSG. Okay, message. Just I assign variable message is equal to lines of content, guys. See, just I'm trying to print here the console.log of MSG. See, guys, we'll get we can't store like that. See, we're getting like this invalid unexpected token, guys. So means, guys, so it won't accept any single code, even single code. I'm going to store multi lines into the single code, guys. Try to understand. See, even you can't. Okay, na? So you can't declare multi-lines using single code. But suppose you want to declare multi-lines strings, you just declare using backticks. You just use backtick and backtick like this. Now we can declare this. Now we can get the string, guys. Guys, understood now? Guys, what is string and how to declare the string and what is how to get the multi-line strings, how to using backticks. Guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
And so we have to collect in strings. We have a lot of string methods, guys. In strings, we have a lot of string methods that I will show you one by one, guys. So first we have a length function, guys. Using length function, we are going to calculate the length of your string, guys. Suppose let Okay, let str is equal. Welcome to Tech guys. Okay, just I'm going to print console.log of string guys. So now you'll get welcome to Tech, right? So now I want to calculate so how many characters means length of that string guys. I want to calculate the length of the string. So for that we have a predefined method name like length function guys. Using this length method, we can get the length of your string. Now see, so just I'm using string dot length. Now see guys, you get the length of string is 18 characters. Guys, understood now? Length function. Using length function, so we can calculate the length of your string guys. Using length function. And if you want to convert your string to lowercase, uppercase, so for that we have method name like to lowercase to uppercase guys. See? Suppose to for. So just I'm going to win the console.log of str dot to uppercase. Now see guys, you'll get so all gets into the uppercase. Right. To lowercase. So like this, all into the lowercase case, uppercase, lowercase. And you want to get, suppose guys, we have a number of characters, right? So you want to get the like the character position, guys. You want to get the position of your characters. Suppose, see, so guys, every string we have a index positions, guys. Suppose you have a welcome now. Guys, here you have a string, right? So we have index positions like here, W is the 0th position, guys. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, 5, like this, guys. Okay, na? So we have a index positions. So you want to get the specific position. Okay. So the method name like char at, guys. Char. See, just I'm going to get console.log of str dot char at of. Suppose I'll give the fourth position, guys. Okay. So what are the character you have, guys? In fourth position, you can check it. That is what? It's a O. Guys, you understood now? Like that. So using caret. And you want to know the caret, the ASCII code, guys. So the character ASCII value. Suppose we have a ASCII values now, guys. For A have a 65, B have 66, like that you have ASCII values now. And same like you want to get the ASCII value of your character, you just use method name like char code it, guys. Char code at return you like ASCII value of your character, guys. str dot char code at. See, so I'll give the char code at of 2, guys. E. Okay, na? So E is 0, sorry, 1. I'll give 1, guys. So here W is 0 position and E is the 1 position. Okay, so just I'm going to get what is the ASCII code of E value, guys. E character ASCII. See, how much, guys? It's a 101, guys. Okay, now see, upper alphabet will start from 65 now, guys. After that, you will get lower alphabets, right? So the lower alphabet E is the char code is it's a 101. So you want to get the character codes, we just use that caret. See, guys, using caret position, you just give the your position, it return the character, right? Suppose if you want to know so your character index position. So for that we have method name like index of, guys. Index of. Using index of method in that specific index which so in specific character what is the suppose I want to know what is the position of E, guys. So ikkada naku E T position into teliyali. T index position into teliyali, guys. Like that. Okay na? Suppose I want to get this S index position. Suppose O index position. So you want to get like that, we have method name like index of, guys. Okay, using this index of method, so we are going to get the position of your character, guys. Okay, see, just you can execute like this: console.log of string dot index of. Suppose I'll use yes, guys. Yes. Okay. Yes. You see, There is question what guys? Where we have index index of okay, so there is no small s in that, right? So that's why you're getting -1 guys. The string is not found, it written to -1. Okay. Suppose I'll give the t guys. What is the position of the t? It's a 8 position. Guys, you understood now? Position is 8. Suppose I'll give one more. Guys, getting right, all are predefined methods only, guys. You just check it out. That's it. Suppose I want to know the position of the W, guys. It's a 0th position. So like that you can get the suppose guys. Okay, so in this string, I have a 2 O's and 2 T's, right? Suppose I want to get the second T position, guys. So for that we have one more method name like this is the index of means first value, guys. Suppose you get the last index, we have method name like index last index. Last index of, guys. It return you the last index position. See, console.log of str dot last index of t, guys. The second t value you'll get, that is 14, guys. Guys, understood now? The first index and second last index. And next, I have one more method name like include, guys. Suppose here we have welcome to. So I want to know this 2 is it included in the string or not. Suppose nature string lopala ఈ 2 ఉందా లేదా check చేసుకోవాలి, include అయి ఉందా లేదా. Okay, so for that you just use this method, guys. So you just use console.log of your string dot include of your string, that is supposed to. So it will return true, guys, true or false. If you found, it will return true. Include, what will get? Include is not defined. So includes, I think, yes, it's includes. String includes. Yeah. Yes, it's a true, guys. Suppose if not found, it return you false. So like that you can check is that include or not. Index methods. And you want to replace, guys. Replace. Console.log of. So we have a str dot replace. Take, right? I'm going to replace with yes, sir. Replace. Guys, like this will be. You got it now? Guys, you can replace any character, strings, anything, guys. Like that you can replace. And we can slice your characters, right? Slice. Using slice function, we can slice your character line. Word wise, characters you can slice. See? String dot. Means slice means some which position to which position you want. You can slice the number like pieces, like number of slices. Okay. So slice of suppose I want to get only from 2 position to 8 position. It's 2 to 8. So it will slice you like this. See, only LCOME you will get. Guys, understood now here? Online guys, understood now? So using slice function, you can slice some where you want, like some which position to which position. You can slice like that, guys. Using slice function. And next we have a split, guys. Split function. It will convert your string into the array like that, guys. See? Console.log of str.split. Guys, it will split your array and string into the array like this. But suppose you want to split, only you just use the codes, guys. So it will split like this. Okay, na? Every your string converted to the array like this, guys. Suppose you want to divide, see, it will give only single quotes, guys. Inside the split function, if you give only double quotes or single quotes, it's give you every character wise split, guys. Suppose you want to split words wise, guys. For example, I'll give you. Okay, suppose console.log of str dot split. You just give only, guys, double quotes or single quotes and add some space, guys. If you add some space between the quotes, now you'll get word wise split. I'm sorry. Guys, you understood now? Every character wise split and word wise split. There are two methods, guys. Okay, you just give the space. So without space, if you are mentioning, it will return you every character wise split. And you want to split word wise, you just use space, guys. Guys, understood now? Split function.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And suppose I'm going to do one more, guys. Let str1 is equal. See, I'm giving some before string some space, guys. Space. Hello. After I apply some space. Console dot log of str1, guys. Now you'll get like this. Here you are, right? But before we have a space and after you have some space, guys. So you want to remove that space before and after, we just use trim function, guys. Using trim function, we can remove the spaces. Trim function, you just remove the spaces, guys. Console.log of your string str1 dot trim, guys. So you got it now? It will remove the before and after spaces. And suppose here we have a L trim, R trim also means you want to remove the only left side space, only L trim, guys. Trim R. No, L trim, R trim. Can this also false? L trim and R trim. So that is in Python essentially. Yeah, what happened, Shivaj? Trim starter. Yeah, you want to remove the space between starting space. You want to remove like trim start. Guys, it will remove the first space. Start means left side space will remove, you guys. See, left space remove. And you want to right space remove, trim end. So guys, this is the general string and L trim. That is a trim function. First I'm going with the trim function. So first we have a trim, guys. Both side remove the spaces. Trim. So this is the normal string. We have a space before and after. This is a removed space. Next, only left space and right space remove. So like this. These are the trim function, guys. Using trim function, we can remove the space before and after. Like, and is there a methods, guys? Anyone? And yeah, you want to check, is there any starting letter match with some characters? Starts with, ends with also. start, you want to check starts with the A or starts with the S or ends with the A or ends with the S. You want to compare, you just use uh, this start and end functions, guys. So console.log of string str dot starts with suppose W, guys. You have a W now, it will return you true. See, true, it will return you, guys, like that. Ends with suppose yes, guys. So it's a false. So you want to check starts with or ends with, you just use starts and ends functions, guys. Uh, so these are different types of functions, guys. Once you can check it, open any tutorial, you can check it, guys. Like what are the predefined functions in the strings, you can check it. Guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
You can check it, guys. We have a lot of methods. Means, so what are the common methods in we are using the real time? That we discussing, guys. Like hmm? Caret, uppercase, lowercase, hmm? Length we are using, conversions, index, first index. Okay, and guys, you just try to get so convert. No, so print reverse string, you can try it, guys. Okay, now ఒక string is దాన్ని ఎలా reverse print చేయాలో try చేయండి మీరు. Like using loop and using predefined methods you can try, guys. ఓకేనా, we don't have any directly method reverse. సో మనకు డైరెక్ట్ రివర్స్ మెథడ్ ఏమి ఉండదు. సో మనం కొంచెం ఆలోచించి చేయండి. లైక్ ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ హలో ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి, HELLO కదా, హలో ఇస్తే దాన్ని మీరు OLLEH అని నాకు ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి. రివర్స్ స్ట్రింగ్, గైస్. మీరు ఇచ్చిన స్ట్రింగ్ ని రివర్స్ ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేయాలో ట్రై చేయండి. అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతూ ప్రింట్ రివర్స్ స్ట్రింగ్ ట్రై చేయండి. Guys, clear, right? Yeah. And next we discuss about the array space. So using arrays, you can store the more than one value space. Am I right? So using arrays, you can store the more than one value. Array is the group or collection of something. Array collection of. And we can store more than one value. Okay. And arrays we can write in three ways. Arrays we can create three ways, guys. Using square brackets. Using new keyword. Using new keyword. Hmm. Using array of objects. previous we are creating, guys. Okay. Simply it's a one of the non-primitive data type, guys. So you see, suppose you want to store any variable like any single variable, it's a number or string or boolean or, and if we are using primitive, guys. Non-primitive means we can store more than one value. ఎక్కువ వాల్యూస్ చూడడం కోసం మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ అరేస్ అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మనం యూస్ చేసుకుంటాం, గైస్. ఓకే. సో అరేస్ మోస్ట్లీ we are going to declare three ways: using square brackets you can declare, using new keyword you can declare, and using array of number of objects also we can write, guys. Okay. See, just I'm going to give you a small array, like let friends is equal. Guys, I have a few array. So just I'm going to put there console.log of friends. Now see, you'll get like this. I'm going to change this. Yes, we have an array with 4 elements. Okay. And next. So you want to get the specific. So guys, arrays also have index positions, right? So here Shivaji is the 0 position, 0, and Murali 1, Swami 2, and John 3, like that, guys. Okay. Suppose you want to get Murali. So how can we get, guys? Just give the index position. So friends of 1, guys. Friends of 1, it will return you Murali, like this. And you want to get the length of your array, guys. Same array functions also length we have, a length function, guys. See, console.log of, so friends dot length. See, now get like this. The length is 4, guys. Length is 4. And suppose you want to calculate, so what are the characters into the guys? Okay, the specific element you want to get the number of characters. So you have to write like this, guys. First you have to get the Swami. So what is the position of this Swami, guys? 0, 1, 2, guys. So friends of 2. Friends of 2 dot length, guys. Now you'll get like this. See, that is characters. Guys, understood now? So using length function, we can get the length of your array. Okay. And you want to get the specific elements in the length. You can use your array of your index position dot length, guys. So like that you can use. And suppose you want to add new element in your array, guys. For that your method name like push function. Add new element at end. Console.log of friends dot push. I'm going to push. No. See, guys. Now you will get end of your array, guys, like this. See, guys. So we are getting only the length of array only. So before length of array is 4 only now. Suppose if I add one element, you will get 5, guys. Suppose you want to print that array, just use print your friends. Now see, guys, you will get like this. Got it now? So it will add, if you are use push function, it will add the element end of your array, guys. Suppose you want to remove the last element, we just use pop function, guys. Remove the last element. To remove the end element, guys. See, console.log of friends.pop. Now see, now the array Manoj is removed, guys, like this. See, after that I am going to print the array again. So we have only 4 elements. So like that you can add and remove end of your array, guys. Suppose you want to add and remove at the beginning of the array, you just use shift unshift, guys. Unshift add element at begin. Console.log of friends dot unshift. Same. Now see, now array size is again increased. It's a 5, guys. Array length is 5 again. Okay. And now I'm going to print the complete array, guys. So see, you get, see, add Hemant at begin, guys. We used what? Which method, guys? Let's say unshift. Suppose you want to remove the beginning element. You just use shift, guys. Shift function. Remove element at begin. See? Yes. Now Hemant removed, and after remove the Hemant, we have an array like this. Guys, understood now? Yes. Now, guys, tell me. So, how can I add the element at the specific position, guys? Anyone? Hemant, John, Manoj. Add element at specific position. Okay, it's a very simple case. Actually, we have only one method. Using that, we can add and we can remove also. That is what? It's a splice method, guys. Using splice function, we can add and remove the element at a specific position. Splice. See in the console.log of friends dot splice of, guys, suppose I am going to add the element at second position and you just add 0. Means if we are empty that position, guys. 2 comma 0 and your element name. Like what? Anusha. See? Guys, I'm going to functions. Right, sir? What happened, guys? Friends dot splice of 2 position was 0 and Anusha. Right? See, actually, this splice function, it won't accept any printing, guys. Okay, we just add friends of, yes, friends of splice of 2 comma 0 and Anusha. Now I'm going to build this friends, guys, array. Now you'll get this. See, you got it, guys, in second position, Anusha. I should know. So using splice function, see, here I pass two parameters, guys. One is what? Your position, guys. And next we are empty that position. And you can add your element. Of course, you can add number of elements also, guys. See, I'm going to add one more, guys. You'll get? You got it now? So 2 and 3 also you'll get like this. Guys, understood, right? Using splice function. And suppose if you want to remove, guys, same. So we just add element at position. Suppose and you want to remove, guys, friends dot splice of. So I just give your position, comma, and number of elements, guys. 2 comma means second position lo na okay element ni remove chesestam. See, you want to use console.log of friends. Now Anusha gone. So you got it, na? So there is Anusha got guys. Remove it. Second position lo na okay element. Suppose if you are mentioned 2 comma 2, it will remove the 2 elements, guys, and Anusha and Swami both elements removed. Okay, na? Guys, you understood, right? So if you are mentioning any, so here this is for what? Remove the element at specific position. Guys, so like this you can add and remove the all elements. So we can, in your array, you want to add or remove or any before, see, you want to remove the element or you want to remove the add the element or at specific position also you can use this. We have method name like what? Push, shift, unshift and splice, guys. You guys understood now? Means using these functions, we can manipulate your complete array, guys. Guys, you got it now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And few more functions. So this is the complete manipulation. And you want to apply any sorting operations. Sort function, guys. Console.log friends dot sort. Get ascending order. See, John, Murli, Shivaji, Swami. And you want to descending order, reverse this. Console.log friends dot reverse. Reverse, so yeah, reverse. Okay, Swami, Shivaji, Murli, and John. Like this, you can reverse it, guys. Reverse function and ascending order, descending order. So like that you can sort, guys. And you can see here also we have a slice function, guys. Console.log of friends dot slice of. So just I'm going to slice 1, comma 3, guys. And 1 and 2 you will get. 3 won't include, it's excluded, guys. Okay, here 1, 2. Slice. So 1 and 2 you will get. It's excluded, guys. Slice like that you can slice it. Same like index of also. Console.log of index of. Index of like element name what? Suppose Swami. So see the position index position is here 0. Why? Because we reverse, right? That array reverse, no? So Swami is the 0 position, guys. And we have a concat function. We can combine any two array space. Concatenation. Concat. Suppose that A is equal something, guys. 1, 2, 3. That B is equal 4, 5, 6. You want to concat these two arrays, just use the concat function, guys. Console.log of A dot concat of B, guys. Now we'll get like this. Two concatenation. And you can join like this. And you want to convert string to array. String to array, we are using split function, guys. And array to string, we have a join function you can use, guys. Just use the join. Console.log of friends dot join. You'll get as a string. Just use the quotes between that, guys. You'll get the string join. Completely string you will get. Or if you want, you can join like commas or stars or hyphens or you can use using join function. Okay. And we have a few more methods, guys, like filter, map, reduce. That will discuss in the ES6 functions. Okay, na? మీకు నేను ES6 చెప్పినప్పుడు filters, maps, reduce గురించి చెప్తాను. Okay. And next, like this, you can check it, guys. And we'll use a few more. Yeah. So this is the one type, guys, and one more type is using new keyword. Using new keyword. using new keyword, guys. Like what? Suppose I'm going to create select array is equal to new array, guys. Or you can just say friends. Third array of ARR is equal to 1. Yes, declaration using square bracket you can declare, and using like new function also, new array also you can create, guys. Okay, both methods can use. Console.log of. Okay, it's a one more time of the array creation, guys. Using new keyword or using using new keyword or using square bracket. Both ways you can create, guys. Okay, this is one more type of array function. Same. The only creation is different using new keyword or using square brackets, guys. And one more also we have that we will discuss later. That is array of objects using both functions, guys. Okay. And guys, I'll give the few questions. You just take it down, guys. Guys, I'll give the few questions. Just take it down. Practice on arrays, guys. Okay. Print sum of array elements, guys. Guys, you just try to tell these functions. Print sum of array elements. Print sum of array elements. Print guys. Print largest element in the array, guys. Okay. Print largest element in the array without using max function. Okay, don't use max function. Max లేకుండా try చేయండి. And same like small element in the array without main function, guys. Largest will be here, and don't use even sort functions also. Okay, without using any predefined functions. Just let's print duplicates in the array. You can try it, guys. Print duplicate in the array. Next. Compare any two arrays. Okay, compare any two arrays, guys. This is the common frequently asked question using arrays, guys. You can check it. And we'll discuss later about the map filter reduce, guys. Okay, na map filter reduce గురించి మనం కొంచెం ముందుకెళ్ళాక ఫంక్షన్స్ అయిపోయాక మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, మ్యాప్ ఫిల్టర్ రెడీ ES6 లో వచ్చే న్యూ అనమాట. మనం ES6 గురించి మనం సపరేట్ ఒక టాపిక్ పెట్టేసుకొని అక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసేద్దాం మ్యాప్ ఫిల్టర్ రెడ్యూస్ గురించి. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఇస్ సింప్లీ అబౌట్ ది అరేస్, గైస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ ఓన్లీ ఆ డేటా టైప్స్, గైస్. స్ట్రింగ్స్, అరేస్, ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, డేటా టైప్స్ అండ్ దానిలో ఉన్న ప్రీ డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేస్తున్నాము. సో వీటిని యూజ్ చేసుకుని నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. And what is an object, guys? Simply object. So here object is a real-time entity, guys. Object is a real-time entity. Okay, a real-time entity. It's a real-time entity, and object have number of properties. and methods, guys. Same here also we can get three ways, guys. Using curly brackets. New keyword and array of objects of arrays are different ways calculated. Simply let suppose, guys, just imagine car is one object, guys. Okay, or laptop is one object. Suppose laptop is one object. So laptop model, laptop name, laptop color, brand. So these are comes under properties, guys. And laptop like what? So it's on and off. Like car is one object. Car name, car color, car model. These are all the properties. Car can start and stop. These are like method, guys. Okay. So everything in real world, everything is an object, guys. Object have number of properties and methods. So here I'm going to one car, guys. Suppose I'm going to one student object. Student is the one object. Student name, student code, student, these are the properties. Got it, guys? See. Let suppose car. Car is equal in curly braces and using first function. First two curly braces. So here your so and all has the pairs, guys, key and values. Okay, now. So I will have relation of key and values, guys. Okay. So here name is the key, the value is something like BMW. And next color like red, like model. So 2026 model. Okay, na? See, just I'm going to print this. Console dot log of car, guys. Just I'm going to this object. So we have an object. Okay, here you have an object, guys. Car is the object. Okay. Chalo. So you want to get individually, we can use like this, guys. Your object name dot property. Name you will get. Or color you will get. Or model you will get. Guys, understood now? Suppose in this object you want to add any element, guys. Or add new property and value. Okay. You just use your object name. Suppose car dot price is equal something. Okay, you're going to print console dot log of price. So like this way, we can add the element in your object, guys. Suppose you want to update or means suppose you want to update. Suppose here you have a see car color is red, right? I want to change like black, guys. See, update. Same, just object name. What your property? What color is equal to new value. Now see, I'm going to get this call. So like this way, you can update. Now you have a black. We can add and update. Okay. Suppose you want to delete any property, guys. We just use delete or remove. Delete. Space your object name like car dot property. Suppose price. Okay. I'm going to print this. No, we don't have any price, guys. Removed. So like this, you can add and remove and delete and update also, guys. Got it, no? Yeah. Okay. Like, and we have few more methods. Like, suppose you want to get only keys, guys. Only keys you want to return. So we have a object dot keys. So using these functions, we can return only keys, guys. See, console.log of uh, car dot object dot keys. Sorry, then object dot keys of your object name car, right? Yeah. So you get only the keys, guys. We return you only the keys. And you want to get only the object dot values. It return only the values, guys. Only values return you, guys. See, BMW black 2026. Like you want to both, you just use items, object dot item. Both pairs you will get, guys. Both pairs you will get. Console dot log of object items. 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 Okay, sir. Items వచ్చేసి మనకు Python. So here we have a entries. ఇందులో ఉంటాయి లెటర్స్. అక్కడ మనకు డిక్షనరీలో వాడతాం. గైస్ విల్ లైక్ దిస్ యూనిట్. ఓకేనా, రెండు పేర్స్ వచ్చేసి చూడండి ఇక్కడ. నేమ్ BMW కలర్ బ్లాక్ మోడల్ 2026 లైక్ దిస్. These all are the entries. There you have a items, keys, values, items. So here you have a keys, values, entries, guys. Okay, so like this you can get the like మనం ఇలా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. And next you want to using new keyword. Suppose let obj is equal new object. There you be using new arena, here you just use new object. Okay, object. So here obj dot some a is equal something, obj dot b is equal something. Let this correct. I'm going to take one method name obj dot sum is equal, method means function na guys. Take the function and you just return console dot log of obj dot a value a plus obj dot b value. Okay, just I'm doing the console dot obj dot a you will get, b you will get, and sum is the function, you'll get some function. So a value, b value, and some value. Or you can use return also, guys. So or you no need to use any we are using inside inside printing function, guys. So no need to here outside, guys. Thus we are getting undefined. Just use only obj dot sum. You'll get it. 30 sum a value b value sum value. So like this you can use the method, guys. It's a method. Okay, na members and methods. Like. Guys, clear now? Understood now? Strings, arrays, objects, all are predefined functions only, guys. I think you have all in Java also, right? Guys, clear? Any queries up to this? Strings, arrays, objects, guys. And one more point I forgot. See, in arrays, guys, we didn't discuss, right? What is the for of, for in, for of, for in, for of, for each. So this we didn't discuss, right? In the yesterday. For in, for of, these three functions. I will give example on this now. For in, for of, for each. For each, right? Guys, so you want to iterate your array elements, okay? Suppose we have an array, guys. Just I'm going to show you console dot log of. Just I'm going to friends here. I have no friends. Okay. Guys, so here we are going to this array, right? So in this array, you want to iterate only index positions, guys. You want to iterate only index positions. You just use for in, guys. For in, for of, for each, right? So for in going to iterate the only index position, guys. You just use for, suppose some x in your array, and you just print the console dot log of x, guys. So it will iterate your element index positions only, guys. Guys, you got it now? So I for index. So array lo unna index position మనం iterate చేయాలి అంటే you just use for in, guys. Guys, got it right? And same like we have a for of, guys. You want to iterate your elements, you just use for of. Guys, you want to iterate your index position, just use for in. For of for elements, guys. If you iterate, so each every iteration one element will iterate you, guys, like that. Guys, understood now? For in and for each. Sorry, for off and for in. Guys, for off and for in. For off and for in. For in for index position it will iterate you. And for off for elements it will iterate you, guys. Guys, understood now? Online, guys. Silence, all of you. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Shivaji.
Yes, sir.
And you want to iterate the complete array, we have to use for each, guys. Suppose I'm going to let suppose friends dot your array dot for each of, here we are going to call one function, guys. So guys, here we are going to pass three parameters like a comma b comma c, guys. So first one, what? A for what, guys? A is just like a for of. Okay, a just like a for of, guys. For of means what? It will iterate the only elements. And here second part, b just like a for in only. It will iterate the index positions, guys. And c for both, a combination of both only. See, I'm going to print console dot log of. So if you print only a value, it retrieves you only elements. Chusara elements. Suppose if you are give the b value, it will iterate only index positions, guys, like for in. And if you give the c, so it will iterate the both complete array. It will iterate you, guys. First iteration, first array, next array, like that due to the length of the array, guys, like that. Okay, so here I'm going to give you a comma b, guys. Now you'll get your element and your index position, element and index position. or you can use, you want to iterate the complete array number of times, you just use for each of C, guys. So like this. So like that, you can use for in, for of, and for each, guys. So these are three very, very important methods, guys. So you just try to check it, this all predefined methods into the strings, arrays, and objects, guys. Understood now? Guys, strings, arrays, all understood, right? And from strings function, you just try to collect the string reverse. Print number of equals in the given string. Yeah. So guys, like this you can collect, guys. Strings, arrays, and objects. Guys, is that clear, right, everyone? And tomorrow we'll discuss about the JavaScript functions, guys. Okay? Guys, clear now up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anusha, Hemant, Shivaji, yeah. Chalo, guys, and try to practice those questions and try to collect the what are the predefined functions in the JavaScript, like string functions, arrays functions. You can check it, guys. Okay? Chalo, guys, I'll show you all soft copies and you have to practice. Tomorrow I will come and offline, I will get the session. Thank you, guys. Take care.